Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a whale. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along this diagonal. So I'll bring the top corner down to meet the bottom corner. Line both of those corners up there and then crease it all the way across. And then unfold. Next we'll valley fold in half along the vertical here. So I'll bring this right corner over to meet the left corner. Crease that all the way across. Now unfold. Next we're going to bring this edge here in to lie along this crease. That's going to make a valley fold running out this way, but we're not going to crease all the way across. We're going to stop right when we get to this line here. So I'll bring this edge in, line it up, and then start up at this top point here. And then start folding until you get to this crease line right here. You can see I stopped folding right when I hit that crease. Then we'll unfold that. And we'll do the same thing right here. We'll bring this edge into this crease and then we'll stop when we get to this crease mark again. So fold that down and then stop right at that crease. Then unfold. And as you can see, these creases meet up with each other and then run off to this corner. So we're going to repeat all those steps on the left side here. So I'll bring this edge into the center crease. Start at that top corner, then stop at the crease line, then unfold. Then one more time on the bottom left here. And then unfold again. Next we're going to turn these into rabbit ear folds. So we'll start on the right side. Now what's going to happen is we'll make all 3 of these valley folds form at the same time. So how you do that, you just start with these 2, valley fold them at the same time, and then pinch together up here. And you should have all 3 of those creases formed with this point sticking straight up here. Then we'll just press that point up and then flatten it down, forming one final crease underneath here. Next we need to do the same with the left side here, so we'll turn that into a rabbit ear fold. So form all these creases at once. Then push this flap upwards and crease it all down. Now we have what's called a fish base. And for the next step, we're going to take this point and fold it down to these 2 tips right here. And this one you don't need to crease very sharply. Just press it down soft right here. Next, we're going to turn that into a mountain fold. So unfold that, and then just reverse this crease. And then press that down firmly. Next, we'll turn the model over. And we're going to valley fold this corner in this way. This one is done to taste, so there's not really a reference for it, but the valley fold will be about right here. So fold it in about this much, and just try to make this edge vertical. And I fold it in about so this tip lines up with this point here, if you were to extend a line upwards from it. But about that much, and then just crease it down. Then do the same on the left side here. And try to make it symmetrical. Just fold it in about as much as you did with the right side, and then crease that down. Now we can valley fold the whole model in half along this line here. We already have the crease in place. So just valley fold, swing that all the way over like this. Then I'll rotate the model. Next, we're going to swing these points down and turn them into fins. So this one's also done to taste. And you'll notice right here, you're going to want to start the crease right from this point here, where basically as far as it can go. And then you'll swing it out about this much. So that's done to taste. It doesn't have to be exactly like that. Then we'll turn the model over, and we'll swing this flap out just like that one. You can just line it up with the flap that you have underneath and then crease that down. Next, we'll form a valley fold over here just to form the tail. This is also done to taste. I'll do mine about this much. Then turn the model back over, and you're all done. Hopefully it looks something like this. Now, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.